Hi everyone, I will show you how to add phone number in Pinterest. First of all, you need to open your Pinterest settings and go to your edit profile. Then scroll down and you need to select your country code from right here and enter your phone number. When you are done, then tap the done button on the top right and your phone number will be applied on your profile. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.